Hi vlogs, today I'm going to show you how to create LVM, resize, extend and then delete and mount in the mount point. Let's get started. By using fdisk space -l, you can list all the disks. Now I'm going to use the disk /dev sdb1 and /dev sdb2. For creating LVM, first you have to use pv create physical volume create /dev sdb1 /dev sdb2. It has been successfully created. Now I have to create VG. Before that, we will just take a look whether it has been created or not. By using PVS, you can check it out. Both the volume has been created. By using PV display, you can see more details. Both the disk /dev sdb1 and /dev sdb2, both the disk it is showing. Let's create volume group by using VG create. VG name /dev sdb2. It has been already exist, so let's give another name, VG2. Okay, there is an error. Just take a look on that error, so that if you face any error in real time, you can clear this one. It says it has already VG1 unable to add physical volume. Okay, so let's remove by using VG remove. Yes, it is asking for the confirmation. Again, yes. Okay, it has been successfully removed both logical volume and volume group. Now let's create it. Yeah, now VG2 has been created, volume group. By using VGS, it will display both physical volume or 2 and logical volume of 0. So by using VG display also you can see more details. Yeah. Next we have to create volume group, logical volume. By using VG LV create -L, I am going to give 1 GB and then -L, given name LV2 and you have to give the volume group name. Hit enter. It asks yes. Okay, LV2, one logical volume group created. For checking that one, LVS, it will display I have given 1 GB. It has been created for 1 GB. So let's try extending logical volume by using LV extend. Capital L, let me give 2 GB. Yeah, it has been extended successfully. By using LVS, we can check it out. Yeah, it has been resized to 2 GB. Now let's reduce the space. By using LV reduce, -L, Let me give 1.5 GB by using 1600 MB. It is asking for the confirmation. Go ahead and give yes. Yeah, it has been successfully resized to 1.56 GB by using LVS. You can check it out. Yeah, there is 1.56 GB. So let's mount this logical volume LVM. So for that you have to create a directory. And let's give test. Okay, directory has been created, and you have to give a file system for this one. So mkfs.ext4, which this file system is used for increasing and decreasing the volume size of LVM. If you use XFS, you can increase, you cannot reduce the space. So go ahead and use the file system ext4. Yeah, it is successfully done. And you have to add this entry in the /etcfs tab. /dev vg2 lv2 and mount point /mnt/test, and the file system which we have given ext4 and defaults 0 tab 0. Save this one. Okay. Yeah, it has been successfully mounted. For checking that one, mount grip /mnt. Yeah, here you can see /mnt/test. Okay, this is done. You can restart the machine and use the logical volume manager, or else you can use as it is, because we have mounted. And if you want to remove the logical volume, first you have to unmount. And remove the entry in /etcfs tab. LV remove. By using this one, you can remove as VG remove, VG2 that has been successfully removed, and PV remove /dev /sdb1 space /dev sdb2. We have successfully removed by using lsblk. You can check it out. Yeah, there is no logical volume LVM. There is no LVM. This is how you create, increase and reduce the size, mount and delete the logical volume manager. Thanks for watching.